But where are you guys gonna go? There's movies, there's dinner, you guys can go.
Well, there's this place.
God.
Yeah, I think we're on the same page.
Yes.
Double dates!
Wow.
Did you leave the TV on?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
Yes, I did. So it's fine, it's fine.
No.
But, mini golf.
Mini golf!
Mini golf, period. I actually have clubs right here. It's my back. It's my back. Because apparently I'm 70 years old.
No judgment. Love is love.
Love is love. At any age.
At any age. Hey, I have some ice for that. I'll go grab some.
Okay, cool. Nicole.
Yeah.
No judgment, but do you like those shoes? Boy, maybe it's the floor. Let me try.
We need to get those fixed. We've been living here for 10 years and we still haven't gotten them fixed.
Yeah. So about that ice.
Got it.
And then I'm trying not to make it to me. Okay, let me try. It's
You got it,
Oh,
yeah.
if you walk backwards, it doesn't.
You are so right. Who knew? Yeah, go ahead, crack it. Yeah.
Fresh ice.
I should help you with that. You shouldn't scrinch.
What is
Yeah. You didn't get this fixed for me.
Just like these floors,
It's
yeah?
not looking really good for you.
Thank you, Nicole. That's
All right, I
helpful.
think it's melting.
I'm good. Look, I can walk normal. Let me grab that bag again and show you. Yeah.